Right now, thousands of miles out in the open Pacific Ocean, something unprecedented is happening beneath the waves. A massive, invisible body of thermal energy is surging toward the Americas. It is moving with the force of millions of nuclear bombs, and it is about to rewrite the weather rules for the entire planet. Meteorologists are sounding the alarm. This isn't just a regular climate cycle. The data confirms an 82% probability of an anomaly so intense it only happens a few times a century. Welcome to the dawn of the Super El Niño of 2026. If you think you've seen extreme weather before, brace yourself. Because what's coming in the next 12 months will alter the global economy, destabilize food chains, and push global temperatures into uncharted territory. This is the monster in the Pacific. Today, we investigate the forces that are about to change everything. To understand why scientists are terrified, we first have to understand how the planet breathes. Under normal conditions, powerful atmospheric conveyor belts called the trade winds blow relentlessly along the equator from east to west. They literally push the sun-baked, warm surface water away from South America and pile it up around Southeast Asia. This creates a perfect balance. Asia gets the heavy monsoon rains needed to feed billions of people. Meanwhile, on the other side of the ocean, cold, nutrient-rich water rises from the deep ocean floor off the coast of South America, fueling the richest fisheries on Earth. This is the global equilibrium, but every few years the machine breaks down. For reasons science still cannot fully predict, the trade winds collapse. The global climate engine is flipped on its head. Without their push, that massive reservoir of scorching ocean water sloshes backward, blanketing the entire eastern Pacific Ocean. This is El Niño. But what happens when this cycle goes rogue? What happens when it becomes a supervariant? Most El Niños are moderate, but occasionally the system goes into hyperdrive. In 2026, we are entering the danger zone. Climate scientists measure the strength of these events using the Ocean Niño Index. A baseline rise of 0.5 degrees triggers a standard alert. But when that number breaks past 2.0 degrees, we enter the danger zone, a very strong or Super El Niño. In human history, we have only recorded a handful of true Super El Niños. The 1997 event caused over $35 billion in damages. The 2015 event pushed temperatures to record heights, but 2026 is hitting differently. The ocean is already preheated. It's taking an already boiling planet and pouring jet fuel directly onto the fire. Greenhouse gas absorption is at a record high. Supercomputer models are predicting temperature anomalies reaching an astronomical 2.5 to 3.0 degrees by December. When the Pacific heats to this degree, it alters the jet stream, creating a chaotic domino effect across the planet. The loop snaps and reforms in the wrong places, sending chaos into different continents simultaneously. Let's trace the path. Phase 1. The Asian drought. Because the warm water has moved away, the crucial monsoon rains are violently suppressed. Reservoir levels will plummet. Crops like rice, sugar, and coffee will face severe water scarcity, triggering a massive shockwave. Phase 2. The South American deluge. While Asia dries out, the western coast of South America faces the exact opposite nightmare. Desert areas will be blasted with relentless torrential downpours, leading to catastrophic flash flooding and mudslides. The historical cost of a Super El Niño isn't measured just in rainfall, it's measured in economic devastation. Studies show it can shave trillions off global growth. As crop yields fail across multiple continents simultaneously, food inflation spikes globally. But the threat to infrastructure goes even deeper. It acts as a planetary heat amplifier, adding roughly 0.2 degrees to the global average. This triggers unprecedented summer heat domes. As air conditioners run at maximum capacity, regional power grids will be pushed to their absolute breaking points, raising the threat of rolling blackouts. The Super El Niño of 2026 is a stark reminder. Our modern civilization is still entirely at the mercy of the planet's natural systems. The data is clear, the warnings have been sent, and the Pacific has already made its move. Are you prepared? Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below with your thoughts. This is Fact Vault, and we will see you in the next investigation.